The sudden absence of heat in a vehicle's cabin transforms a routine drive into an uncomfortable ordeal. This phenomenon, often occurring without immediate warning, indicates a critical dysfunction within the vehicle's complex thermal management system. Understanding the precise mechanical or electrical failure is paramount to restoring cabin comfort and preventing potential engine damage. One of the most frequent culprits is an insufficient engine coolant level. The heating system relies on hot coolant circulating through the heater core to transfer thermal energy into the cabin. A low coolant volume, often due to leaks from hoses, the radiator, or the coolant reservoir, means there is simply inadequate fluid to absorb engine heat and transport it effectively to the passenger compartment. This directly diminishes the system's ability to provide warmth. A thermostat stuck in the open position prevents the engine from reaching its optimal operating temperature. The thermostat's function is to regulate coolant flow to the radiator, ensuring the engine warms up efficiently. If it remains open, coolant continuously cycles through the radiator, dissipating heat prematurely. Consequently, the coolant never achieves the necessary temperature to effectively heat the cabin, resulting in consistently cold airflow. Internal obstructions within the heater core are another common cause. The heater core, resembling a miniature radiator, can accumulate scale, rust, or debris from the cooling system over time. This internal blockage restricts the flow of hot coolant through its narrow passages. When coolant flow is impeded, the heat exchange process is severely compromised, and the cabin receives little to no warmth despite the engine reaching operating temperature. Air trapped within the cooling system can significantly disrupt heat transfer. Air locks often occur after coolant system maintenance, or due to leaks that allow air ingress. Unlike liquid coolant, air does not effectively transfer heat and can create pockets that prevent hot coolant from reaching the heater core. This results in localized cold spots and a general inability of the system to deliver consistent heat to the cabin. The heater control valve regulates the flow of hot engine coolant into the heater core. This valve, which can be mechanically or electronically controlled, directs coolant based on the driver's temperature setting. If the heater control valve malfunctions and remains closed, or partially closed, it physically blocks the passage of hot coolant. Without this crucial supply, the heater core cannot warm up, and the cabin remains cold. A defective blend door actuator directly impacts airflow direction. Within the HVAC housing, the blend door controls whether air passes through the heater core or bypasses it. The actuator positions this door based on the desired temperature. If the actuator fails, the blend door may remain stuck in a position that routes air around the heater core, delivering only unheated ambient air into the cabin, regardless of the coolant's temperature. A complete failure of the blower motor results in no air movement into the cabin. Even if the heater core is operating efficiently and hot coolant is flowing, without the blower motor, the heated air cannot be circulated into the passenger compartment. This typically manifests as no airflow at any fan speed setting, making the heating system entirely inoperative from the occupant's perspective. Problems with the blower motor resistor often lead to limited fan speed control. The resistor unit modulates the voltage supplied to the blower motor, dictating its speed. When this component fails, it commonly results in the blower motor operating only at its highest setting, or ceasing operation entirely. While hot air may be available at the core, the inability to control or generate airflow renders the heating system functionally impaired. A compromised water pump cannot adequately circulate coolant. The water pump is essential for driving coolant throughout the entire engine and heating system. Circuit. If its impeller is corroded, broken, or if the pump itself fails, the coolant flow rate decreases significantly. This reduced circulation directly impacts the heater core's ability to receive a consistent supply of hot coolant, leading to a noticeable drop in cabin heat. A failing head gasket can introduce exhaust gases into the cooling system. This severe engine issue results in combustion gases escaping into the coolant passages, creating large air pockets. These gas pockets displace coolant, reduce the cooling system's pressure, and impair the overall efficiency of heat transfer. The presence of exhaust gases within the coolant severely inhibits the heater core's function, causing inconsistent or absent cabin heating. These various failures are rarely isolated and often interact within the complex thermal management architecture. For instance, a persistent coolant leak contributing to low coolant levels could also introduce air into the system, compounding the problem. Diagnosing a single point of failure without considering its potential impact on other components risks misidentifying the primary issue and failing to restore system functionality. Diagnostic challenges arise from the interconnected nature of these systems. A symptom such as no heat can stem from issues ranging from a simple low coolant level to a complex electrical fault in an actuator or a significant internal engine problem. Accurate diagnosis requires systematic testing of coolant levels, thermostat function, coolant flow, electrical circuits, and actuator responses, often in sequence, to pinpoint the root cause efficiently. The systemic implications of these heating failures extend beyond just cabin comfort. Issues like a stuck-open thermostat or a failing water pump, while initially only affecting cabin heat, also indicate a compromised engine cooling system. This can lead to the engine operating outside its optimal temperature range, potentially causing reduced fuel efficiency, increased wear on components, or in severe cases, engine overheating and catastrophic damage. Preventative measures are critical for maintaining the vehicle's heating efficiency and overall engine health. Regular inspection of coolant levels, checking for leaks, and adhering to recommended coolant flush intervals are fundamental. Addressing unusual engine temperature fluctuations promptly, and ensuring routine maintenance of all cooling system components, significantly reduces the likelihood of encountering these common ghosts that leave the cabin cold.